What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be taking the Mercedes for a test run. Just gonna go ahead and drive it around the block, see what's up with it, make sure everything else is good. We ain't been able to do much of nothing because, well, it's been raining outside. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna go take it for a run real quick, and then I'll let you guys know how it drives. What is it? You wanna come? You wanna come? I didn't think so. It's too wet out here. You wanna come? Come on. There she goes. She fired up, no problem. Look at my companion who's with me. Oh, sorry guys. Look at my companion who's with me. Yeah, she decided she wanted to come with me. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this baby out. We got our license plates on the car, inspection sticker, so hopefully we'll be good to go. I haven't got a chance to clean this thing here. It's not that bad, but you know, we're gonna definitely get this baby here up and going. So let's get on with it. Let me turn these windshield wipers on. First time it's been on the road, so we're not going too far. We're just making sure that it rides. Pretty much all we're doing. I'm gonna check the license plate lamp. I'm gonna check the smarter lamp. Make sure that we get ourselves situated. Is that thing auto? Oh yeah, it is automatic. Awesome. I came to the store now, man. Store gonna grab something to eat real quick. Snack on and stuff. So I got up this morning, I ain't grabbed no breakfast, no nothing. Just beeline the world. So I'm gonna grab and get to eat. Smoothie. That in the basket. A little protein on this too. Chocolate banana. I don't know how that tastes. Chocolate one though. Let's give this one here a shot. Hopefully it's good. I haven't tried. Now, talking about the Mercedes. I drove it up here. Seemed to be pretty good so far. No fluids, no lights, no real issues that I've noticed. I did notice that I had the car on eco, and when I was driving it, you know, while I was on eco, it takes off really slow. Obviously, that's what eco means. It's supposed to take off slow. So, pretty much all I know is I'm going to put it in sport mode when I get out, and then we're going to see how it drives in sport mode. Alright, and I'm back. Got a bunch of food and stuff for you. So, You ain't gonna believe all that stuff was like 40 bucks. Alright, she fired up, no problem. Let's take her off of eco like I said. We got her in sport mode. Let's see what happens. Alright. She does have a much stronger response. And I'm just cruising. I'm not even speeding, as you guys can know. I gotta defrost this mirror real quick. It's weird. Let me turn on my defrost real quick. So there we go. Almost immediately that shit went away. They got these two here because I be getting this here confused. Look at this dude. Come on, bruh. Like, really? Whatever. Alright, we back. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. It definitely picked up. It's a little too wet out here. We ain't finna do all that. I'm back home and come on back to the shop. We already here anyway, so I'm not finna do no burnouts and all this twists and stuff and all that kind of stuff. I'm just turn back around. We're gonna go on and park baby girl back over. When we get the chance, I'm gonna do some more detailing on this one here. I think that we're gonna have a positive outlook on this one here, though. So, back at the alright, so we're back at the shop. Other than the little lamps and lights and stuff, she seems to respond just fine. It worked just fine. This here is my radio, in case you guys haven't noticed. Look at that, Mercedes-Benz. I'm gonna fix this right here, though. So that's pretty cool, man. This is really cool. I can understand why a lot of people like these cars, man. This is a little nice one, man. I had one a long time ago, and it was hot. But I just when I bought mine, it wasn't a lemon, but it was a money pit, and that one there was kind of on me. Around, and I got greedy and got desperate, and like I tell you guys all the time, come on, baby. I tell you guys all the time, I got into a bid war with that car and took it personal, and it became not about the car and more about who had the fattest wallet, and just pretty easy to get into within Copart. And then, you know, get desperate, you want something. I was really looking for a Land Rover because we was going on a vacation, and I was gonna get the Land Rover, and when I got the Land Rover, we was gonna drive it on a vacation, and then I was gonna, you know, sell it. But I lost the Land Rover and I got pissed off, and so then I bid it on the Mercedes, and the Mercedes was fire, man. And I cannot believe I just did that. But the Mercedes was fire anyway, and I wound up bidding a little too much. And here we have my 2013 Mercedes-Benz. This was the C300. We had bought this one here back in 2021, and this was the one that I had fixed up. As you can see, the damages was a lot more severe than even I anticipated it was from the pictures. It was a lot less than what it was, but it was very nice on the inside. Had all the electronics and everything worked. It was pretty smooth. Just the airbag from the steering wheel that deployed. Very clean interior. No dents, no holes, no scratches in the interior. And the shift gears just fine. Let's go. Yeah, so anyway, I wound up bidding a little too much on it. And I was sitting at about $5,000 with auction fees and everything. And then what's even make it even worse, I had to fix up the front. yeah, I had to fix up the front on that one, and the front end was pretty bad. It was smashed up. If I got any pictures, I'll definitely show it to you guys. I'm gonna show you what it looked like when it arrived in my driveway, somewhere around here. If it don't pop. Hey, we ain't chilling out here. We going inside. All this rain, all the stuff here, as y'all can see, is all dirty. I'm definitely gonna do some cleaning on it. So that's what all that's for. With the wife, let's see what we're gonna get into today. Going to the store with her. Possibly have this here going by the week. I'll let y'all know. Okay, so it's been a couple of days since our last initial test drive for that Mercedes. Okay, I turned around and took it out for another test drive today, and we went to the store to go pick up some stuff from O'Reilly's. As you've seen, we taken it out, and on my way back, I've noticed something. It was as we was driving it, the transmission, the gear shifting felt a little bit strange to me. It didn't have any problems with shifting the gears, but it just felt a little bit off to me. So I'm not sure if there's an issue wrong with that, but we're definitely going to do a thorough inspection onto it. I got my scanning tools and everything of that sort, so we're going to check it. We're going to make sure. We're also going to take it out into the back of the neighborhood around here. We're going to drive it around, kind of get a real good feel for it, making sure that everything is good on this vehicle. If everything is good on this vehicle, you guys are going to follow me through the whole journey, and you're going to see all of that. So, with all that being said, I will see you guys